Okay guys, I know starting up a YouTube channel from scratch can be overwhelming, but it's not as hard as you think. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up your YouTube channel and publish your first video here on YouTube. Whether you are a complete beginner or you just need a refresher, by the end of this video, you'll be able to start up your own YouTube channel with confidence. So let's get right into it. Okay, so to set up a YouTube channel on your smartphone, you need some few apps to start. The first thing you need to do is to film and edit your video. Okay, and then the next thing is to create a thumbnail. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to create a thumbnail. So what is thumbnail? Thumbnail is that picture you see on people's videos. That picture you see that picture you see with the titles and sometimes the people's picture boldly written on the picture. That's called a thumbnail. Okay, so you create your thumbnail um and also film and edit your video and keep them ready. And then the next thing you need is an email address. I believe for you to be watching this video right now, your email address has already been created. Okay, and you also need your YouTube app, which is what you're using to watch me right now. And most importantly, you need your YouTube Studio app. To get the YouTube Studio app, just go to your app store and then type YouTube Studio app, and then you see the app right here. You just install it. Okay, it's already installed in my phone, so I will not need to install it anymore. Okay, then once your YouTube Studio app has been installed, let's go over to our YouTube app, which is this app you're seeing right here. This is your YouTube app. You click on it, and the page will likely appear like this because you've not been doing anything there. Okay, so below you're going to see different icons. There you see the home, you see shorts, the plus sign, subscription, and you. So what we'll be clicking on is the you. Okay, we'll click on you, which is your personal account. Okay, then once you get here, you see your name above, probably the name you use in registering this YouTube account, okay, to enable you watch videos on YouTube. Then below it, you're going to see create channel. You're going to see create channel, which is this thing you're seeing here. Seeing create channel below it. So we are just going to click on create channel. Okay, then this page pops up. The first thing you see is your change your profile picture or take a new one. Then the name you use in registering and your handle. So we'll just change the profile picture, which is this. We are going to click on it to change our profile picture. So the picture would want our channel to carry. Okay, so I'm just searching for the picture I would like to use. Okay, so let's use this one. If you have a clearer picture, feel free to use. This is what I want to use. So you save as your profile picture. It's coming up and it's saved. Then you go over to the next one, which is your name. I want to use the name Faithfulness. So I'll just type in Faithfulness as my channel name. Once done, you click on save. You click on save. You see it at the top right. Okay, you click on it. And then you see create channel below. You click on create channel, and there you have it. Your channel has been created successfully. So now for you to get this channel rolling, like start using this channel, let's upload our first video. So the next thing we'll be doing now is to click on the plus icon. Okay, the plus icon I showed you below. You click on it, then you're going to see different options below. You see video, you see shorts, you see live. So click on video because we want to upload a video. All right, so just click on one video.
One,
Select
you
the
have to
video you
find
want to
a niche.
upload.
Pick a niche.
Okay, so you select it. Okay, and this new page will pop up. Up here, you see a pen icon. You see a pen icon right here. So what this pen icon is for you to put in your thumbnail or the picture you want people to see when they see your video. Okay, so if you already have a thumbnail, you just put it. If you don't, you can leave it like that. All right, you can leave it like that and later change it in your YouTube studio. All right, so for the purpose of this video, we will not be creating a thumbnail yet. Okay, I'll show you how to get a picture you can use in our YouTube studio. Okay, so right now let's put in the title of this video. What title do I want this video to carry? For the sake of this tutorial, let me say how to create a YouTube channel, how to start a YouTube channel in 2025, a YouTube channel in 2025. So after you've inputted the title of the video, the next thing you're going to see is description. We'll not be adding a description yet, we'll be doing all that in our YouTube studio. Then the next thing is visibility. Because we don't want this video to go public immediately, it's not advised to put your video in public immediately because there may be errors. Okay, once your video is in public, it means after it's uploaded, it will go public. People may start seeing it immediately. But I would advise that you put your video on private. Okay, we'll make it public in our YouTube studio. Okay, after we've checked and everything is in order, you can put it in private, and then we'll be making it public in our YouTube studio app, you know, after the video is fully optimized. Okay, then you put it on private, and then you go back, you leave your location. We'll be doing all that in our YouTube studio, leave the rest, and then you click on next, and then you click on next. Then for your select audience, is this video made for kids? No, it's not made for kids. You click on no, it's not made for kids, and then you upload your video. Okay, fully uploaded, you head over to the YouTube studio app. Here's the YouTube studio app. You click on it, and then you see your page. You click on the video, you want to optimize. Then this page comes up. Then you click on this pen icon at the top right. You click on it. For the sake of this video, I won't be using a thumbnail. Okay, so right now we already have our title right here, and the next thing we are going to include in this video is our description. So what description does is to actually tell YouTube the audience that it's going to push your videos to. Okay, so when writing down your description, make sure your description is well detailed. Okay, make sure it's well detailed. So for the sake of this video, I'll just put a very short description, but if you're doing yours, make sure it's well detailed. Okay, what your description should tell, it should carry everything your video is talking about. So this video is about how to start up a YouTube channel with your smartphone. Okay, so I will just say in this video I talked about how to start up a YouTube channel using just your smartphone. Okay, using just your smartphone. All right, you can make it more detailed. Okay, let me stop here for the sake of this video so this video doesn't get too long. So let's go back. Then visibility, remember we put our video in private so it doesn't go public after being uploaded. Okay, so it's the audience. Now the next thing is audience. You say no, it's not made for kids. We did that in our YouTube app. Okay, so add to playlist. If you have a playlist, this is your first video, so you don't have a playlist, but as time goes on and you keep making videos, you can add your videos to playlist. Then altered content, you said no. Do any of the following describe your content, like A, makes real person appearance, say make real person appear to say or do something that they didn't say, or alter footage or real event or places, or generate a realistic looking scene that doesn't actually occur. You say no. this is your video, you made this yourself, it is not an AI generated image video. So you just say no. Okay, then the next thing is tags. Just click on the last one, then you say add tags. Okay, so what tag does is that it makes your video pop up. Okay, like if you go to YouTube and you're searching for something, you say how to create a YouTube channel, how to make a plastic cup, you see those videos that popped up. That is because of the hashtag. Like if people are searching for things online, they will not see your video because you did not add hashtag. So include hashtags, include relevant hashtags. Make sure the title of your video is included. Make sure the name of your channel is included in your hashtag. Make sure that everything that relates with your video is included in your hashtag. So for this video, I'm going to add my name. A lot of people don't do this, but it's something that you have to do. Okay, so let's add tags. Let's say my name, Faithfulness. Then you click on enter. Sorry, I made a mistake. Okay, let's type in Faithfulness. Then you enter how to start up a YouTube channel. Using your smartphone. You go again, you can put as many hashtags as you want. How to start up a YouTube channel with your smartphone. With your smartphone. Okay, let's stop there. And then allow video and audio remixing. You allow. Okay. Add paid promotion. There's no paid promotion to this video, so you don't add. Then categories. You can choose any categories. If your video is a comedy video, you can choose comedy. If it's about cars and vehicles, choose. If it's an educational video, you choose educational. So let's just choose educational because it's educational. All right. Then you go back and you click on save. Okay, so now let's click on this let's click on the pen icon at the top left. Okay, to change or to select a thumbnail. Okay, so right here YouTube has given me different pictures to select. If you already have your thumbnail, as I said, you can click on custom thumbnail, okay, to go and select from your gallery. But if you don't have, you can just select from any of these ones that we have already provided here for you. So we'll just choose this one because it looks better. Then you click on done. Okay, once you've clicked on done, you go back to visibility. Remember, our video is still in private. Okay, so let's go back to our visibility and make the video public so it can actually be seen. So from private to click on public. Now our video can be seen. Okay, after doing this, you click on save. If you don't click on save, your video will still remain in private. So you click on save. Okay, our video has been saved and our video is up. Once you've made that first publication of your first video, please do not hope you start seeing thousands of views immediately. YouTube takes time, YouTube takes patience. Okay, I always advise before you publish your first video, make sure you have at least 6 videos. Okay, so that you can continually make uploads because you don't get discouraged after your first upload. All right, and there you have it. If you gained value from this video, please drop a comment in the comment section, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.